Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the RAID version and patch. This matters because mechanics change. Next, immediately pull logs and timestamps. Do not wait, so you capture exact events. Enable debug or spectator mode if the system supports it, because that gives live state. Once done, make sure you note participant ID and roles to map events to players. This first pass exposes desyncs and obvious flags. It sets up the deeper analysis quickly and accurately. You now dive into the log timeline and reconcile timestamps across server and client. Aim for sub-second alignment. Then inspect mercy triggers, the thresholds and stacking rules, so you understand why the system fired or not. Trace state changes for each player during key windows and correlate those with the mercy condition checks. As you examine sequences, look for race conditions and missing event receipts. These often explain unexpected mercy outcomes and guide. You wrap up by reproducing the issue in a controlled test environment. Keep it minimal so variables are clear. Then apply the targeted fix or configuration change. This might be a timing buffer or threshold tweak, and retest until the mercy behavior matches expectations. Once verified, collect fresh logs and compare to the original run. If things still fail, use the troubleshooting tip. Check for intermittent packet loss or clock skew, because those commonly break mercy checks.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.